Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to deliver alcohol on Skip the Dishes. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself and it works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Skip the Dishes application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Skip the Dishes guys, go ahead and log into your account, and after logging into your account you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the options that you have for your account. As you can see, you can restaurants near you, you can use the search bar, you can see orders, rewards and so on. So guys, to be able to deliver alcohol, the first thing you have to do is to become a delivery driver. And you can do that guys by clicking the upper right corner on your profile icon right here, and then scrolling down in this new menu until you find this option right here that says drive at Skip and become a courier. So guys, go ahead and click on that and log into your account and follow the preceding steps, and then you will be able to become a delivery driver. So guys, now the question is, how do you deliver alcohol and not only food? Well guys, to get the option to deliver alcohol, you have to do the following. You have to go back to your icon right here in the upper right corner, and you have to contact Skip the Dishes. Yeah guys, you need to click the need help button right here, and then you want to go ahead and select need something else right here, and then go ahead and click contact support. And here you want to say that you want to deliver alcohol, so they will know what your problem is, and then they will be able to activate it in your account and you will be able to deliver alcohol. But yeah guys, go ahead and start a chat and somebody will be able to help you. But yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.